Where are we going?
Going to get something to eat. Starving.
Well, where are we going?
You'll see.
I'll see.
Yes, starving.
We'll just tell him where we're going.
It's not far, jerk. Shut up.
Just tell him where we're going.
Going to get something to eat.
Wait, where are we going?
You'll see.
Okay. That doesn't tell me where we're going.
So you know it's not. Wait, so you're not going to McDonald's, obviously?
No.
Yeah, he just went there the other day. They know I'm there.
Burger King?
Yep. They have, and it's not nearly the amount of
Burger. I don't want to go to Burger
No.
King.
No, it'll be fine.
This is
you'll like it when you sit down and eat them.
This is like diet food.
I like to pick the places sometimes, you
They're
know.
leaner. They're not like McDonald's.
Hi, welcome to Burger King. Can you get a combo meal?
Just like Whoppers.
Cheese on them. Alright, just 4 Whoppers. Anything else? 1904, second window, please.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay.
Here, I'll hold it.
No, I'll hold it.
You're driving, Bill.
I don't care.
Don't be ridiculous.
I'm hungry.
You'll like it.
Bill, I know what Burger King is. I just talked about the health issue, William. I know what Burger King. I know what Burger King is.
This is better than Big Macs.
That
It's
doesn't
leaner, less.
lesser wrong. No, that doesn't. You
No.
would not lose weight
Yes.
on that.
I know
All right,
somebody
guys,
that was on a diet that ate Whoppers that lost weight.
Yeah, right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Guy I
I
work
find that
with.
hard to believe.
I'm not lying.
Okay.